Good morning, children. In the last class, I took science for you. Now, I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. Please take science textbook and open page number 35. So, in the last class, I explained for you that lesson number 4. We are for you. No, children. So, what is the use of banana leaf and all? So, in this class, I am going to continue. So, in page number 37, they are shown pictures here. So, first picture name is papaya. Papaya, papaya. Second one is sweet potato. SWEET POTATO, sweet potato. Third picture is maize, MAIZE, maize. Next, second line, first picture is grapes, GRAPES, grapes. Next is brinjal, BRINJAL, brinjal. Next is tomato, TOMATO, tomato. Next is lady's finger, LADYSFINGER, lady's finger. Next is ginger, GINGER, ginger. So next picture is onion, ONION, onion. Next is carrot, CARROT, carrot. Next is spinach, SPINACH, spinach. So in this picture, fruits and vegetables are there. So papaya, grapes. So these two are fruits, and sweet potato, brinjal, tomato, lady's finger, ginger, onion, carrot. So they are all vegetables. No, children? Yes, next page. Here in this page they given, write the names of 5 grains, 5 vegetables, 5 fruits that you have eaten. So which we have eaten. So first we can learn about grains. So the 5 grains are rice, dal, wheat, ragi, maize. RICE rice, DIL dal, WHEAT wheat, RAGI ragi, MAIZD maize. So next column is vegetables. So which vegetables you have eaten? I have written here 5 vegetables name. So first is beans, second is carrot, third is brinjal, fourth is onion, fifth is potato. BEANS beans, CARROT carrot, BRINJAL brinjal, ONION onion, POTATO potato. Next column is fruits. So you must write fruits name there. I have written 5 fruits name. First is mango, second apple, third orange, fourth grapes, fifth watermelon. MANGO mango, APPLE apple, ORANGE orange, GRAPES grapes, watermelon, WATERMELON watermelon. So these are the grains, vegetables and fruits name. Okay, children? We get grains like rice, dal, wheat, ragi and vegetables like greens, beans, carrot and fruits like grapes, orange from plants. So these are the items we get from plants. So grains means rice, dal, wheat, ragi, and vegetables are greens, beans, carrot, and fruits are grapes, orange. So these are all items we get from plants. So they are given here one poem, sing and enjoy. Here comes a vegetable seller. I always look at her with wonder, the many colors of fruits and many types of vegetables bring a glint to my eyes and make my mouth water. I buy all of them to eat, grow and stronger. So vegetable seller is selling vegetables and this girl is looking with her so many colors of fruits and vegetables. So many colors are there, fruits and vegetables. So when we look at them, our mouth will be watering. If we buy and eat all of them, we will grow stronger. Here we have a lovely garden full of jasmine, rose and lily, spreading fragrance all over while the bees and flowers play. So, there is a lovely garden here. In that garden, the flowers are growing. That flowers name are jasmine, rose and lily. They will spread sweet fragrance and the bees and flowers and the bees will play on the flowers. Okay, children? Next page. So in the next page, they are given some picture. So what are the uses of flowers? See, this lady has kept on the head some flowers. Now children, and these bees are sucking the nectar from the sunflower. And here down one house is there, and they have decorated the house with flowers. So many different kinds of flowers. Now children, name the flowers used in your house. Why are they used? So, which flowers are used in your house, children? So, like sunflower, jasmine, lily and all. To decorate the house we will use. No, children? Next, name the flowers grown in your garden. So, which flower you will grow in your garden? You must say that names. For example, rose, sunflower, lotus, sunflower, hibiscus. Like that we must write there. Next, we get different types of flowers from plants. Flowers are used for decoration. So, from plants we get different types of flowers. And these flowers are used for decoration. Next, look at the pictures. Have you ever eaten the leaves of these plants when you have got cough or fever? So, when you get fever or cough, so these leaves you will eat. So which leaves is that one? They are given in the picture. So which leaves is this one? Which picture is that one? So this is tulsi. Okay, children. Cough, cough, cough. I am suffering from cough. With a pain in the chest, water relief. As soon as I had some tulsi. So when you get cough or cold or pain in the chest, if you eat that tulsi leaf, you will get relief. So that cough will go and the chest pain will go there. Okay, children? So here they are given in the bottle neem powder. Okay, children? Next. Which plants in your house are used for medicine? Know from your elders. Write the names of 5 such plants. So which plants are used for medicine? So for tablets and when you get cough, fever and also which plants you will use. So I have written that 5 plants name. So first is tulsi, second is neem, third is spinach, fourth is mint and fifth one is lemon. So if you use these 5 plants leaves means that is used for medicine. So we must grow near our house. So this medicine plant. Okay, children. Next, consult your elders to know about plants used for different disease and discuss the same with your friends. So you can ask your elders the different types of plants that are used for medicine. Children. So here they are given pictures. You must match this by drawing lines. So first picture is banana. Second picture is banana leaf, and this is rope, and this is flower, and this is tulsi. So in the B side they are given picture. So for tulsi, so first is banana. So we will eat that banana. The girl is eating the banana. So the second is banana leaf. So in the B side, in the fourth line, the one girl is sitting and eating in the banana leaf. So we use these leaves for eating, sitting and eating there. Next, rope. So in A side, in the third line, rope is there. So we use this rope for taking water from the well. So in the B side, that is in the fifth picture, one girl is taking the water from the help of the rope. Next, flower. So this is a jasmine flower. See in the B side, in the first line, one woman is keeping the flowers on the head. So we keep these flowers on the head. Next is tulsi. So tulsi leaves in the A side. In the fifth line it is there. So in the B side, one boy is there in the second line. He is coughing there. So if we eat these tulsi leaves, the cough will go. Okay, children. Next, here in the picture they are given some animals, trees and all. So why do animals need plants, they have asked. So why do they eat plants, children? If they are thirsty and they are suffering, if they are thirsty and if they are hungry, they will eat the plants to fill their stomach. No, children? Next, in this page they are given some uses. There is a plant in the middle of the circle. A few things that are obtained from plants are given around the circle. Draw lines and match the things that we get only from plants and trees. So here in this picture, in the circle, one picture is there that is called tree, and this outer circle they are given fruits, leaves, pen and all. So we must match that one. So from tree, the trees are uses for house, gum we can get from tree, and we can make book also from paper, and banana leaf is used for eating, and we can get fruit from tree, and vegetables also we can get from tree, and flowers and leaf also we can get from trees. Okay, children? Next, we get grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers, coir, medicine, wood to construct houses, manure, etc. from plants. So from plants we get so much things. So what are that one? Grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers, coir, medicine, wood and all. So plants also provide food, place for shelter to the animals. So for animals, plants provide food and place and shelter. Okay, children? So these are the lessons. Any doubt, children? So shall I ask question, children? So name 5 plants which are used for medicine, children. So the 5 plants are tulsi, neem, spinach, mint, lemon. Okay, children? So name 5 grains, children. So the 5 grains are rice, dal, wheat, ragi, maize. So next question. So name 5 vegetables and 5 fruits, children. So 5 vegetables are beans, carrot, brinjal, onion, potato. And 5 fruits are mango, apple, orange, grapes, watermelon. Okay, children? So this all where we can get, children? So we can get from plants. So what do plants provide for animals, children? So plants provide food, place for shelter to animals. No, children? I think you could have understood this lesson. I will give you notes also. Okay, children? Copy in the classwork notes. Already I have sent odd words from second main. I have sent fill in the blanks and all. Okay, children? Thank you.